Finding Zen in functionality, the tranquil embrace of Japandi design. Imagine a space that whispers serenity, where clean lines meet organic textures and minimalism finds a warm embrace. This, my friends, is the essence of Japandi design, a captivating fusion of Japanese wabi-sabi and Scandinavian higi. Today, we embark on a journey to decode its elements and principles, transforming your understanding of how to cultivate a space that promotes mindfulness and tranquility. The art of less, embracing minimalism. Japandi takes its foundation from the core tenets of Japanese minimalism. We strip away the unnecessary, focusing on clean lines and uncluttered surfaces. This allows for a visual calmness, a space where the mind can truly unwind. Think of it as a blank canvas, ready to be adorned with intention. Nature's warmth, the embrace of natural materials. But Japandi isn't sterile minimalism. It borrows from the Scandinavian concept of hygge, infusing warmth and a sense of cozy comfort. This is achieved through the abundant use of natural materials. Think rich wooden furniture, calming stone accents, and the textural beauty of woven elements like bamboo. These materials not only connect us to the natural world, but also bring a sense of organic beauty and grounding to the space. A symphony of neutrals, the power of the color palette. The color palette in Japandi design is a symphony of serenity. Soft grays, warm whites, muted blues, and earthy tones dominate, creating a sense of peace and tranquility. Pops of color can be introduced, but with a light touch, perhaps through carefully chosen artwork or a thoughtfully placed throw. Remember, the focus is on creating a harmonious whole, where each element complements the others. Light is life, harnessing the power of natural light. Just like Scandinavian design, Japandi champions the use of natural light. Large windows and open floor plans become a priority, allowing sunlight to bathe the space and create a sense of spaciousness. This not only uplifts the mood, but also strengthens the connection to the outdoors, blurring the lines between interior and exterior. Wabi-sabi, finding beauty in imperfection. Japandi incorporates the beautiful Japanese philosophy of wabi-sabi. It's about embracing imperfection, finding beauty in the natural flaws and variations of organic materials. This philosophy allows us to move away from the pressure of everything being perfect, creating a space that feels authentic and lived in. Functionality. Above all, every element with a purpose. Japandi never forgets the importance of functionality. Every piece of furniture, every design element serves a purpose. This ensures that the space not only looks beautiful, but also functions efficiently, promoting a sense of order and calm. The art of living mindfully, the end result. By incorporating these elements and principles, we achieve the true essence of Japandi design. It's a space that fosters mindfulness, a place where we can disconnect from the chaos and reconnect with ourselves. It's a testament to the power of simplicity, a space that whispers, breathe, relax, be present. Achieving Japandi perfection key features. Now that we've explored the soul of Japandi design, let's delve into the key features that will help you translate this philosophy into a reality. Furniture selection. Opt for clean lines and natural materials like light woods. Dark woods can work too, but use them sparingly for contrast. Consider multifunctional furniture that saves space and promotes a clutter-free environment. Lighting, maximize natural light. When it comes to artificial lighting, incorporate a mix of ambient and task lighting using natural colored lampshades. Paper lanterns or woven pendant lights can add a touch of Japanese flair. Textiles. Introduce texture through natural fibers like linen, wool, and cotton. Consider incorporating traditional Japanese elements like tatami mats or futons for a touch of authenticity. Nature's touch. Breathe life into the space with indoor plants. Bonsai trees, ferns, and bamboo add a touch of serenity and connect you to the natural world. Wabi-sabi. Inspiration. Don't shy away from showcasing the natural variations in your materials. A slightly chipped ceramic vase or a piece of driftwood can add a touch of wabi-sabi charm. Declutter. Ruthlessly. Regularly declutter to maintain the sense of calm and order. Remember, in Japandi, less is truly more. By focusing on these key features, you can transform any space into a haven of Japandi tranquility. So embrace the simplicity, celebrate nature's beauty, and create a space that fosters mindfulness and peace. So, the next time you design a space, consider the allure of Japandi. Let's create sanctuaries of serenity, havens where minimalism finds a warm touch and functionality embraces the beauty of nature. Thank you for joining us on this design exploration. To stay updated on the latest design trends and discover more captivating content, please subscribe to our channel. We look forward to having you on this design journey with us.